Hi guys and welcome to the workshop. In today's video I want to show you a cool trick how to fix a common error that we encounter in the Adobe Premiere Pro when we are trying to import a video 10:2 bits, and how to reduce the video file size for YouTube videos in order to work way easier and load and upload videos to YouTube very fast. Okay, so the fix is pretty simple. It's basically using a new app that I found, and it's called Handbrake. Let me show you first the error we have in Adobe Premiere Pro when we are trying to edit something that is 10:10 with 2 bits encoding type. So the file has unsupported compression type. What we can do in this case, we can do only one thing that I found out that it's working, and it's that to encode the video with some other app. So basically you go on your Google machine, search for Handbrake. You have here the site handbrake.fr. It seems to be French application. So you go to downloads, get the version that you require for your machine. It's either it's a Mac or a Windows. I got mine for the Windows. And after you get it installed, you simply open it, drag your big file size on your app. So basically what we used was the preset for creators. Is this one. And I selected 4K version. And this does a bit of optimization. It gets out the video in MP4 format, and we can choose here if we want more quality or we can keep it the same. The same quality should be, or also if we are going down we will get lower quality, but that's not visible to the eye. You know, it's not poking my eyes. In this case, if you want a lower size of the file, but if you don't want to lose any quality, you simply select 0. In that case, it will maintain the same quality. Yeah, and I also kept it as 10 bits, but using the better compression codec. 265 is the newer codec compared to 264. Yeah, so basically these videos, I think they are compressed in AV1, and that's why it's not seen by the Adobe. It's not supported. What? And also what is nice with this app is that you are not forced to encode the whole video. You can also encode just a portion of the video. So for example, instead of chapters, how it comes by default, you can select seconds, and over here you can select the time that you want. So for example, I will choose to encode only the first 12 minutes of the video, not the whole 1 hour and 40 minutes. And we will see what we can get from this outcome. Let's start encoding. And I will pause the video and I will show you the outcome, because you don't need to wait for all this thing, but I will let you know how much it lasted. For 12 minutes of encoding with this format. H2 10 bits. The quality I reduced it from 0 to 23 because I want to see the difference and if it's visible or not. Is that it takes only 21 minutes, which is, I would say, decent for 12 minutes of video. And just know that it will do 2-pass encoding. That usually takes double. So if we get only 1 pass, it will be half of the time. Okay, so I will pause it now and see you in a bit. So the video is done, and just as my recap, I used the H265 with 23 quality, reduced from 0. 60 frames per second, 2-pass encoding, creator mode, 4K. So this one for 10 minutes, remember that I 12 minutes, my bad, it generated a 165 megabits video. Okay, and now let's create one that has 0 quality with the same duration and see if there is a difference in quality and size for the video. That's it. Start encoding, start encoding. And as usual, I will let you know when it's finished, and we will do the comparison between both of them to see if that constant quality 23 to 0 makes any difference whatsoever.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so it seems that the encoding has finished. Let's see what we have. So this is the second part, and it seems that it's occupying 16.8 gigabits compared to the other one that it's occupying only 165 megabits. Okay, and now let's check both of the videos if they are supported by Adobe Premiere with this encoding style. So the first one that it's occupying less with minus 23 points in quality, and it's went in perfectly. Okay, now let's try the other one, which is the one with preserved quality, which is occupying a bit more. And this went in as well. Okay guys, so now we have a comparison between both of the videos. Here on the left we have the smaller file size video, and on the right we have the bigger file size video. And we can see from the colors that the bigger file size video has more colors, and they are more pronounced, and the highlights are better and stuff like that. But I don't think that yeah, there is some difference, but now I will let you choose which is the best for you. In my case, I think I will go with the smaller file size, just to be easier to be uploaded on the site, and yeah, easier to work around and to save them on the local hard drive. So these are the difference between them, and let me know in the comment section what do you think. Which one you will choose? So I totally recommend this app if you need it. It's very helpful if you are playing with videos like I do. So yeah, maybe, who knows, you know, near future you will need to edit a video that it was too big and you need to send it via mail, and you can use this app to tweak it and to lower the size. Yep, I hope the video was helpful, and if you have questions, leave it down in the comment section and I will answer as fast as I can. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you didn't do that already, you know. Stay healthy, stay tuned, see you in the next one.